How to block notifications on Microsoft Teams. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to block notifications on Microsoft Teams easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is just go to Microsoft Teams. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and now choose the settings option down here, click on it, or you can just click on notifications if you have it here. Choose notifications. Now you will find block notifications option here. For example, you can block calls right here, click like this, and now they are blocked. It's very easy to unblock and block. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.